back to my channel. So as y'all can already tell by the title, today I am going to be packaging up my wholesale lip oils, and I'll put them in this box to keep them separate from my stuff that I actually sell. But yeah, I'm going to be packaging my wholesale order, and then also if y'all stick around to the end of the video, then I will also be showing y'all my lashes. Yes, but they have not been added to the site yet. Once I get all of my new products, then I will shut my website down for a couple days, and I'll make sure to let y'all know when I do that. But I will shut my website down for a couple days, or maybe even a week, and you know, take some things away and add my new products onto my site and some other stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking through this intro, so let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. But before we do so, make sure y'all are following me on my business Instagram page. I will have it on the screen somewhere, and I will also have it in the link in the description box. But yes, I will be doing a giveaway really soon on my Instagram, so make sure y'all are following me, so that way anytime I post, y'all can be updated and all that good stuff, because I do tend to post on my Instagram more than I post on anything else. But most of the time when I post on my Instagram, it directly goes to my Facebook. So make sure you'll follow me on my social medias. Like I said, I will have the link to them in the description box. And also don't forget to check out my website and shop some of my amazing products. Yes ma'am, I will have it somewhere on the screen, and I will also have it in a link in the description box. So yeah, if you are new, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell right beside it, so that way you can be notified every time I post a video. And yes, just join the pretty girl crew. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and yes, let's get off into this video. these are all 10 styles of my lashes. And by the way, if you hear Home Alone in the background, I'm watching it. It's like my all-time most favorite movie. So first off, we're gonna start off by showing y'all Bossy, which she's a bossy. Okay, so that's Bossy. Next is Classy. She's cute, but she's classy, okay? Alright, that's Classy. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know down in the comment section which is your favorite. Next, we're gonna go with Simple, which Simple is cute. It's one of my favorites as well, because y'all know I'm a simple girl type of lash. She's simple, not a lot going on, but she's simple. Okay, that's Simple. Next is Pretty Girl, which is another one of my faves. And I got it soon as paper, y'all, because I don't want my cases to get dirty. But this is one of my faves because y'all know I'm a simple type girl. And I feel like every pretty girl should have this lash. Okay. That's Pretty Girl. And this is not even the completed look of my cases, y'all. I still have my vinyl cut labels to go. And I'm going to have my Instagram, Facebook, all that on the back. It's going to be so freaking lit. Okay, so next is Barbie. This is Barbie. A little wispy. So cute. Barbie is cute. Next is Cocky, which I don't think that this one should have been named Cocky, but I don't know, I needed a name, so Cocky was just one of the names. So yeah, this is Cocky. Cocky's cute. Next is Betty. She's one of my, I think she and Baby Girl is one of my darkest lashes. Like, they're really, really thick. Not so as like, it's dark. I don't know how to say it, but it's like they're on the dark side, so they're not really thin, they're a little thicker. But Betty. Okay. My next set, well, I'm gonna actually show y'all Baby Girl because the last two are definitely my favorites. This is Baby Girl. Told y'all they dark, but cute. Okay, that's baby girl. And my last two is Bella and my doll Lash. So Bella is one of my favorites. Pretty girl, simple. Bella and doll is my favorite ones. Okay, so this is Bella. Bella is got like a little, it's short at the beginning and then it flares out, which is something that I'm really like. Come on, focus. But I like Bella. Bella is super cute. And then last but not least, doll is my freaking favorite. She's the longest out of all of my lashes. Come on. Look at that. Look how she flared out. I wish my freaking camera would focus. Okay, there we go. So freaking cute. I can't wait to wear her, y'all. She is bomb. So yeah, that is all of my lashes, y'all. Like I said, hold on, let me turn the camera. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know which one were y'all favorite lashes and all of that good stuff. Let me know which one was your favorite lash. And yes, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yes, like always, I will see y'all all in my next video. I'm about to watch my favorite movie. And yes, I will see y'all in my next video. Sorry for looking ratchet as well, but y'all know the vibes. It's like late at night and I have to be at work in the morning, so we just record whatever we have on. So it's like I'm getting ready for bed, so don't judge me, okay? This, when y'all click on my videos, it's a no judge zone, okay? Period. Nobody can get on here judging anything, like, period. Okay, I don't judge y'all, y'all don't judge me, okay? Period. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope y'all enjoy, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, babes. Mwah, 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 mwah. And make sure y'all go follow me on my business Instagram page, because I will be doing a giveaway soon. So yes, go follow me right now. Bye.